So in the virtual space, so we're talking about Zuant 3D Live Receptionist, and it has two components, live video and text chat. So I imagine if I'm in the Matterport tour or I'm virtually in the Lotus showroom, is the live receptionist automatically asking everybody, do you want to do a live chat? Do you want to do a live video? Do you want to do a live a text chat? Or are there a scoring process going on that's making some decisions? Tell me about that process of real-time analytics and scoring. Maybe, Sam, how about I ask you that question? Talk to me about what's happening in real time in terms of the analytics as it relates to Zuant 3D Live Receptionist.
Okay, so a receptionist will be able to see a sort of a mirror of a end user screen who uses Zuant 3D, and so they will see that on the back end dashboard, which we'll show you in a sec, and then next to each little individual screen there'll be this lead score. So they may determine internally anyone above a score of 30 is worth sort of popping in on having an engagement with. So it's important to note as well, you can have multiple chat sessions running at once. So you can be chatting to multiple end users at the same time. And you can also, but you can only have, one video chat at a time. So maybe a text chat could be set as anyone over the score of 30, but then if they actually reach over 60 or the conversation's going somewhere, they can engage in a live video chat from there.
So help me understand how you got to a score of 30 or a score of 60. Break out the components and give me an example.
So your score when you first enter the experience is set up 1 because you've engaged once within the tour, and then each individual click of the mouse, swivel of the camera, jumping from one point to the other, clicking on a navigation path, clicking on a point of interest, that all adds up 1 point to your score.
So it may be Lotus comes back and says, well, we set up this radar dashboard. If somebody got behind the steering wheel, and I mean that virtually within a Matterport tour, if they got behind the steering wheel and they were there a couple minutes maybe, and they were looking to their left, they were looking to their right, they were spending time, they might accumulate a lot of points based on dwell time, based on the location of where they are in the tour, based on what they're doing in that tour.
Correct.
And so in a scenario where you might have, let's just take a number, 500 people simultaneously in a showroom virtually, which is possible, that the question is, well, who do I engage with? Is that the key piece here? Is the real-time analytics is helping triage who are the most likely prospects at that moment to engage with?
Yeah.
Okay.